reason why Mark is a sponsored pilot. It's because he's one of the best. This is a knife edge loop, one of the hardest maneuvers out there, folks. Let's see if he can hold the edge. Cheer him on. Watch him hanging on that prop, folks. Can this guy fly or what? You know, Mark is one of the finest pilots I know, but I'm not sure he knows how to fly a straight line. We call that dancing with snakes. That little wing waggle right there, folks, lets us know he's done with that routine. Let him know what you think, folks. Mark Dennis from Aeroworks. Now, that ultimate biplane is supposed to fly like that, but our next performer is going to do a similar routine, but he's going to do it with a clipped wing cub. Super Cub. I'm sorry, it's not clipped wing. It's a Super Cub. Our next performer is Cody Wilson. He's 37 years old. He's a carpenter. He lives in Denver. He's been flying for about 21 years. He's sponsored by Vital Air RC, which is the maker of this airplane. He's extremely talented, and if I might just say, a little bit on the wild side. I never know what to expect from Cody. The airplane he's flying is a 33% Super Cub by World Models. It's 144-inch wingspan, and it's 28 pounds. Now, he's going to do things with this Cub, folks, that you're just not supposed to do with this airplane. So.